Big sea lion. 2 big sea lions. Hey, we're Michael and Abby.
Just 2 normal people who love to travel.
We think that life is meant to be lived, so we started out documenting ourselves living life to the fullest.
Our hope is to inspire others to get out there and make more memories, no matter what they are. In this travel vlog, we land in Anchorage and make our way to Valdez, Alaska.
All right, it's about 4:30 in the morning. We just got to Dayton Airport on our way to Chicago, then Alaska. All right, we just landed in Anchorage. Grandma picking us up, waiting on Chuck to get here with the vehicle so we can put our stuff in and go get lunch or something. We are in Girdwood, Alaska, and eating here. Chair 5?
Chair 5.
Okay. Awesome drive-in so far, and it's only just started. We all got Alaskan halibut, and it looks amazing. Oh, the tartar sauce is super good. Chuck got a hamburger with just lettuce only. They forgot the bun.
Once we landed, we were completely blown away by the views.
Oh, and on our way to Hope, we stopped at the trail of blue ice snow and we saw Portage Glacier. It was unbelievable. Day 2, but the first full day in Alaska, and just loaded up, and we're going to Valdez, and then staying there tonight. So this is where we're staying, and deep in the wildlife. They said they've seen moose on that bridge and moose in the creek, but I think we drive wildlife away everywhere we go, so I don't know. But we're getting ready to hop in the car and take off. So we stopped for lunch on our way to Valdez. Gonna make some sandwiches. We're out of here.
Gonna eat some lunch with a cute little root beer.
Yeah, it's so cute.
Look, it's even little Halloween. Boo.
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 So now we're cruising into the fog. Still 209 miles to Valdez. So we just arrived at the Alaskan Pipeline. It's pretty cool. We just got to Valdez. Actually, we're gonna descend down to Valdez, but they say we're in bear country, but I haven't seen any wildlife, and I really hope we do. Got to Bridal Veil Falls, which there's actually one in Yosemite too. We saw this one, but yeah, it's pretty massive. Actually, this whole side's massive.
So amazing.
So awesome. Yeah, hopefully we can get the drone up there. It'd be an awesome shot, but all right. We're just on the other side of the inlet of Valdez, but there's massive sea lions. We saw some over there, and they wouldn't get close enough to the road. Oh wow. That's awesome. So we're gonna walk across here and get some pictures. Maybe make friends with one. That'd be cool. Oh, art.
Art.
Big sea lion. 2 big sea lions. Just saw a bunch of sea lions. and salmon carcass. We missed the bears though, but hopefully we see them again on this trip. So we just checked in our hotel in Valdez, and we're heading to the Totem Pole restaurant. We're gonna cruise through the harbor on the way to the Totem Pole restaurant. Looks awesome. Looks like Sitka on the proposal, which is cool.
What the hell is it?
So we think we're eating at the Totem restaurant.
Where's the totem? Where's the totem pole?
This isn't it.
Oh my god. It's gone.
It's probably right there.
You're
It's
seeing.
hard to go wrong
Look, you got to see Valdez.
Yeah, for
We've
what
done
it
it,
is.
so we can leave first thing in the morning.
Oh, that's true. Oh, Abby, look. The Totem restaurant that was highly spoken about is closed. It actually leveled. It's gone. Just a hole in the ground. So now we're back to the hotel. I'm gonna eat at the Italian restaurant in here. All the ships in here. Kind of reminds me of like Free Willy too, but I know that was filmed in like Oregon or something. There's a feral bunny right over here. Oh, there's rabbits everywhere.
Yeah.
Cocoa Puffs. The good boy's eating grass. Eating wet grass.
But he's binking.
Yeah. Alright, so now we feast. Not on bunnies though. Italian food. So we're gonna see how this is. We are heading to the place where we saw the sea lions yesterday because this was pretty foggy today. Alright, we just got here and no bears. The tide's even out. The locals say when the tide's out, the bears show up, but don't look like it. I think there's a sea lion still over there, but the waterfall's roaring today. Got fog though. There's an eaglet down there, a baby eagle, a teen eagle. Take some pictures and then head back to like old Valdez. Tsunami wiped it out or something. We're driving. It smells terrible, but there's a bunch of salmon carcass, like dead salmon everywhere in there. Or a bear probably just went to town. There's carnage everywhere. That one over there has like fresh blood, which makes me think that a bear was near. And there's a bunch of paths out there. Smells good, doesn't it?
Yeah. You don't smell it after a while. Like after 30 seconds, you forget about it, and then it comes right back on your face.
Alright, so we come to this Glacier View Park, which is supposed to be bears back here. But I don't see any bears yet. But there's icebergs. There's a glacier way up there. So no bear again. But I got to fly my drone from icebergs and the ice up there, so that's really cool. So we just got some sweet drone shots actually of that waterfall that we saw yesterday. It was actually clear today. See, this is what goes in to get the shot. So now I'm gonna walk across here. This railroad tunnel of 1906. This was hand cut into the solid rock of Keystone Canyon and is all that is left of the railroad era when 9 companies fought to take advantage of the short route from the coast to the copper mines of Kennecott. However, a feud A feud interrupted progress. A gun battle was fought, and the tunnel was never finished. And here we are. Oh my God. Wow, that's mean. So there was a gun battle in here. That's kind of crazy. They didn't get very far in that tunnel, so we stopped for gas in Glen Allen. I had to get some road trip snacks, corn nuts, ice cream, and Skittles, I think. Oh, and there's a pug right over there. I got him in the Snapchat. I'll drop the Snapchat in the video. Got to our hotel in Wasilla, Alaska. Tried to fly my drone, but yeah, the batteries are dead and we didn't really have much daylight. But I have a little bit. Abby's cold. It's just chilled. It's chill. It's brisk. It's 49 degrees. But yeah, I think we're gonna go in and I don't know, go to get something to eat or something. And then tomorrow we're getting up early and heading to Denali. But we're gonna come out tonight and get a photo. I hoped there's a chance of Northern Lights, and I really hope.
Fingers crossed.
Fingers crossed that we get to see Northern Lights tonight, because it'd be amazing. And this is gonna be the only chance we're gonna get to see it on this trip, because this is the farthest north we'll be at night. So I really hope it works out. But yeah, we'll I guess find out what happens later. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. We'd really appreciate if you hit that like and subscribe if you haven't already.
And don't forget to follow us on Instagram and TikTok.
And we will see you on the next video.
In the next vlog, we'll be going to Denali National Park.